Hannah Kate, and I am back with another video. Today I'll be doing like a day in my life chill vlog. I've done a day in my life before. If you'd like to see that, the link will be in the description down below. Today we'll be going to breakfast, going to the movies, and I'll be driving with my people, you know. Keep watching. We just made it to Bob Evans, which is where we're gonna eat our breakfast. I love Bob Evans. I only been here one other time, which was my Beyonce vlog. Go watch that. Still so promo. We're finna go sit down. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, how are you?
It's taking so long for our food to come. Like, I didn't wear no makeup today. Bare face. Who this? I didn't do my hair today. I'm taking this sewing out. My nail coming off. These three came off. I need a fill-in. It's okay. I'm getting today is Saturday, October 20th. I'm getting a fill-in Monday, October 22nd. Homecoming is the game is Friday, October 26th, and the dance is October 27th. That's Saturday. So I'm gonna vlog pep rally / homecoming, one video, and then I'm gonna make a Then I'm gonna make a separate video of like actually getting ready for homecoming. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna wait till my food comes. So I just got my food. I'm not gonna make it a mukbang. I'm gonna put on time lapse so you guys can see me eat. Bob Evans like 30 minutes ago. No, we left like 55 minutes ago. We left at like exactly 11:52, something like that. We're on our way to the movies. So a tip is buy your tickets at Sam's Club, cause here the movie is like $15 per person. But if you buy your tickets at Sam's Club, they'll be $17 for two, like together. A pair is $17. So yeah, tip of the day. I'll see you guys when we get to the movies. We're finna see The Hate U Give. So yeah, I'm so excited to see that because you know I love Tupac. The Hate U Give.
The Hate U Give.
Do we look alike? Do we look alike?
I don't think so. In a few minutes.
Smile.
1:20 ago.
Wizarding worlds have been at peace for over a century. Grindelwald wants to see that peace destroyed.
So we just left the movies and we saw The Hate U Give and we cried. Me and my mom. We cried the whole freaking time. Like, I love the movie so much, but it wasn't like it was enjoyable, but like I cried so much that it was just sad. But it's a great movie. You guys should definitely watch it. I'm not gonna tell y'all what happened because it just came out and that would be spoiling the movie, obviously. But it's good. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I was crying. My eyes was red.
A lot.
Yeah, my mom, her eyes are puffy, so we're not gonna show her.
Well,
And she had snot running down her face.
I didn't think we had to get that personal.
Very inspirational. It opens your eyes. It was a couple, like 5 white people in the movies, and I know they felt some type of way by the end of it because. But yeah, now we're gonna go to Walmart. So yeah, That's fine. That's good because I'll have more footage for you guys today. I would definitely recommend seeing the movie 10 times out of 10. Like, they should have put me in there because there was a lot of black people in there. Okay, I could have acted real well and I would have cried. And like, if they needed me to do like a crying scene, I could have did that too. Because I am a very emotional person now. I'll see you guys at Walmart. Gosh, I almost broke my nail. This should hurt, but yep. Alright, so far we just got clean and stuff. Well, not, yeah, I guess for the washer and dryer or whatever. So guys, this is my Physicians Formula argan oil. You just choo 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 choo. Ooh, nice and smooth. Living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you. I'm living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you. Living my what? Living my best life. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Kit Kat, sponsor me if you're watching this. Listen. Crunchy. Alright, y'all. We're finna go home. Y'all see me when I be waking up from my nap. Anyways, as y'all can see, my bad, that's my air freshener. I got one of the automatic ones that spray out or whatever. But yeah, if y'all hear something in the background, that's my heater, cause it should be cold. Like, not just playing, but I be cold for real. So yeah, I'm taking this sewing out tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow. Anyways, so as y'all can tell, I'm finna eat my pizza. It's pineapple pepperoni. It's from Domino's or whatever. And I got my water, because all I drink is water for real. If I'm not drinking water, I'm either drinking a blue slushie, some type of lemonade, preferably strawberry lemonade, or a milkshake. So if I'm not drinking water, those are the 3 things that I'm drinking. But after I eat my pizza, I'm gonna just get some vanilla ice cream. I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the day. I'm just chilling, watching YouTube. I took my shower, whatever. It's late, so well, it's not late. It's like 7:30. But I feel real tired because today was a very long and exhausting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this day in my life video. Next time I'll try to get more footage. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. Hit the subscribe button if you like my personality. Hit the subscribe button if you don't like my personality. Like, hit the subscribe button because that really helps me and it helps my channel out a lot, so I really appreciate it. DM me on Instagram, which my Instagram will be on the screen. YEAHH.ANNA. Follow my spam account, it'll also be on the screen. I post on my spam every day. I post on my Instagram whenever I take cute pictures or whatever. Add me on Snapchat. So yeah, DM me, snap me any video suggestions, comment any video suggestions. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun making it. I just hope that it's not like boring, because I did another day in my life and it didn't really get as many views as I thought it would. But if y'all like me vlogging and stuff like that, let me know. If not, I'll like calm down with the vlogs or whatever. But if y'all like me vlogging, then I'll vlog more often. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, bye, bye.
I'm around they mute, cause they know this tongue a pistol. I ain't scared to make it shoot.